Today we are going to explore lines and angles, the fundamental building blocks of geometry. Lines are one of the most basic elements in geometry. When we say a line, it generally means a straight line. They are infinitely long and extend in both directions. When we draw any line, we make use of an arrow at each end to show that it extends infinitely. A line can be named either using 2 points on the line, for example, line AB, or simply by a letter, usually lowercase, for example, line M. Infinite number of lines can be drawn through a single fixed point, whereas only one line can be drawn through any two fixed points. A ray is a part of line that has one endpoint and extends infinitely in one direction only. Like a line, the length of the ray cannot be measured. A ray is named using its endpoint first and then any other point on the ray. For example, ray PQ. Unlike lines that extend infinitely, line segments have two distinct endpoints. They are finite in length and can be measured. A segment is named by its two endpoints, for example, a bar over Mn. Now, let's study angles. Angles are formed when two rays or lines meet at a common point called the vertex. In this section, we will explore different types of angles and their properties. First is acute angle. An acute angle measures less than 90 degrees. Some examples of acute angles are 15 degrees, 45 degrees, 70 degrees. Next is the right angle. A right angle measures exactly 90 degrees, also called as 90-degree angle. Here, the figure shows that angle PQR is a right angle or a 90-degree angle. Another one is obtuse angle. An obtuse angle measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Some examples of obtuse angles are 120 degrees, 130 degrees, 155 degrees, 160 degrees, and so on. A straight angle measures exactly 180 degrees. The two rays forming the angle are opposite to each other. In this figure, angle DEF is a 180-degree angle or a straight angle. Now, let us see a reflex angle. A reflex angle is an angle that measures greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. It is an angle that extends beyond a straight angle 180 degrees but does not complete a full revolution of 360 degrees. Few examples of reflex angles are 190 degrees, 230 degrees, 325 degrees. That's all for today. Hope you found this video informative. Keep watching our channel for more such insights and keep learning. Thank you for your time.